When you or someone you love gets diagnosed with cancer, you face decisions no one ever prepared you to make. Finding sound advice is often difficult and a large burden for anyone to handle. Partly, the problem is that cancer know-how is constantly in flux. But the bigger problem is noise. There are too many different voices and too many different messages out there. With the best of intentions, an enormous and growing chorus of stakeholders today tries to get the attention of the cancer patient community. Last year, 37 cancer treatment centers spent more than $266 million to reach cancer patients and their families. On top of that, 17 pharmaceutical companies spent nearly $250 million on cancer ads, over $200 million of it on 2 new drugs. Each ad tells a different story. How does a patient know which to believe? And on the web? Facebook has 250,000 groups with cancer themes. Type cancer into YouTube and you'll get 12.8 million results. Google cancer blogs and you'll find 5.5 million sites. This is information overload on a vulnerable population. We have to change this. Communication is as important as clinical progress if we are to win against cancer. We need to be equally adept at both. Like good business people, we're asking the customers, finding out how they learn, what they trust, how they interpret what they hear. The clearer we make things for patients, the better they can engage in thoughtful decision-making. We are living in the day of precision medicine with unprecedented power. Real cures may not be far away. But even the most precisely targeted and evidence-based treatment cannot succeed if it is never seen or understood by doctors and patients. How tragic would it be then if a patient facing life-altering decisions missed out on a promising clinical trial because we failed to communicate well? This is why we have to seize this moment, focus on how we communicate. It's why we have to strive together, strategize together, share our data, listen to one another, and speak with one united voice. Now, let's show we're willing to align our resources so we can make a collective impact on cancer far greater than any of us can alone.